The Ochre dress is a one-size dress, and it comes with a drawstring underneath the dress, and I'll show you how to use it in this video to tighten the waist.
Okay, welcome to our Ochre dress. This is a one-size dress. I'm wearing the navy one. It has a drawstring underneath the dress so that you could actually cinch the waist. I'm wearing a blouse underneath it. The blouse is not part of the dress. I'm wearing a very thick blouse under the dress too, so it's adding a little bit of bulk to it. But this is a one-size, oversized dress, very lightweight and comfortable. Looks very great on all sizes. Okay, let me show you what it looks like with the cinched waist. Okay, and this is what it looks like when you cinch the waist using the drawstrings underneath. Each side underneath the dress has a drawstring, so you could just pull it, and then it will get tighter in the front and in the back, and kind of cinch it however you'd like, however tight you'd like. And then this is what it looks like. And again, I'm wearing it over a blouse. The blouse is not part of the dress. So, Ochre dress, it's a one-size dress, comes in 3 crepe colors, black, navy, and a cranberry, and then also a white poplin.